To begin, unscrew the suction hose nut and remove the suction hose. Use the strap wrench to loosen the lid. Then unscrew it and set it aside. On the top of the piston, grab the white valve support and pull the piston straight out of the body. Set the body aside. Hold the piston like this and remove the plunger seal by pinching and rolling it off of the plunger. Pick up the new plunger seal and install it onto the plunger by carefully stretching and rolling it into the groove. Set the piston aside and pick up the Dosatron body. Unscrew the barb and remove the check valve assembly. Discard the old check valve assembly and seal. Pick up the new seal and drop it into the cap with the groove facing upward. Pick up the new check valve assembly and slide it into the stem like this. Hand tighten the barb on the stem. Carefully insert the piston into the body and press it down as far as possible. Thread the lid onto the body and hand tighten. Before reconnecting the suction hose, inspect it. If it flares out, cut an inch or so off. Or if the suction hose is cracked, rigid, or looks really old, just go ahead and replace it. Now thread the suction hose nut onto the hose. Slide it onto the barb and hand tighten the nut.